This is Shitsa Ting for lesson 1. I'm gonna launch the Android simulator now. Okay, this is the Android simulator. And then we can start the program. Alright, so I paused the video for a bit for it to load up. Okay, so here we're on the home page. As you can see, there is some text above. We have a image here, and then we have some buttons, and when you press on it, it displays some text. And you can also scroll as well. And over here, we can go over to the CIS department. We see some text as well, and some icons with the stars and some display and some description over here. So this is video 1.